is Ted Melin. I'm the plant manager here at Billy Goat Industries. I'm standing in the middle of our manufacturing area, and over the course of many years, this area used to have or house the entire operation of Billy Goat. Over the years, it's expanded and grown. We've made different uses of this area. As the company's grown, we've added a lot of different capabilities over the years. Tube bending has gone from more of a manual operation that took maybe up to 3 to 4 people. We now have an automated tube bender that we use that can operate with one person and produce hundreds and hundreds of handles on a daily basis. We've also expanded into robotic welding. We've got a total of 3 robotic welders that we use. That helps us keep up with the capacity that we need to generate the number of machines that we're currently selling. We still make a lot of use of a lot of folks that hand weld for us, so those folks are very important to us, but the robots have helped us be able to survive in a facility of this size. As we've kind of made our way through the factory, we've expanded gone from wet paint to a powder coat system, which gives us a good durability and manufacturing for those commercial pieces of equipment that we make. The area that I'm currently standing in used to house both our assembly operations as well as our finished goods, shipping, warehousing, all of that. Over the last couple of years, we've gotten to the point where we've actually had to take over the entire space for manufacturing. And in order to do that, what we've done is we've expanded into a couple of other facilities, one very close and one actually a little bit downtown. The one very close to here currently houses our service warehouse. With our customers being heavy commercial, we know that parts availability and shipping things on time is extremely important to them. And so what we've done is expand over the last year or so and basically given one facility that entire focus. We've also expanded and moved our finished goods in order to create space. We've added over 8 assembly lines here in the last 3 years. That's really helped us keep up with our customer growth and the desires that our customer have to buy our products. One of the things that I think separates Billy Goat equipment from most of our competitors is over the course of the last 50 years, we've prided ourselves on making sure that our customers enjoy the user experience of the products that we make. We know that our customers, most of them make their living using our products, and so we've done a good job, or we've tried to make sure that we keep their best interests in mind. Whether it comes down to the grade of steel that we use, the quality of the controls, the user interface, all of those things in our mind make a big difference. Our employees here understand that. We let our employees use our equipment. We actually have a Billy Goat rental program where we let our employees take our equipment home. And so when they come back and work here on a daily basis, there's a lot of pride that goes into what they produce. They do get to see our customers. We bring them in for training and things like that. It's always fun for our employees to get to interact with the people whose lives and with the equipment that they build, whose lives they help support. Over the course of the last 50 years, we've taken a lot of pride in making high quality products for our customers. One of the things that we obviously do or like to do is make sure that the quality of our product and the durability of our product is much better than that of our competitors. An example of that would be our sod cutter. One of the things we did with our sod cutter is make sure that it's made out of very thick steel. As you can see by the size of the weldment, the steel itself is actually in some cases up to 3/8 of an inch thick. The base itself weighs over 50 pounds and provides for a very durable, takes away the vibration from the user standpoint, and is a very solid piece of equipment. Here's an example here of the 3/8 steel that we're using, both for the drivetrain here, as well as the support of the gearbox in the back. You can see here we've got some extra strength provided by this cross member here that's also made out of 3/8. The main weld itself, or the main body itself, is made out of 1/4 inch thick steel. It provides for a very vibration-free and very durable product.